Students, welcome to AJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss motion in a plane, problems on addition and subtraction of vectors. ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన అభిప్రాయాలను తప్పక మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తెలియచేయండి. Okay, let us go to the today's topic, motion in a plane, problems on addition and subtraction of vectors. Let us go to the first one. In this question, a car is moving 40 meters due east, turns towards north, moves 30 meters, then turns 45 degrees east of north, moves 20 root 2 meters. The net displacement of the car is, here they given east is taken positive x-axis or north as positive y-axis. Here this is the east direction and here we are taking north direction. Here one is S1 and other is S2. Here 45 degrees east making an angle 45 degrees and this is 45 and this is 45 degrees. Now this is S3 east of north and north of east. This is the height y. Okay, this is x. Now let us go to the solution. S1 bar is equals to 40 I cap meters and S2 bar is equals to 30 j cap meters and S3 is equals to square root of x I cap plus y j cap. Modulus of S3 bar is equals to, they given as 20 root 2 and theta is equals to 45 degrees. Tan 45 is equals to y by x, that is equals to 1. So tan 45 1, y by x is equals to 1, that implies y is equals to x. So 20 root 2 is equals to square root of x square plus y square, that is equals to, here y is equals to x. Substituting in the place of y we are writing x, then x square plus x square. So next 20 root 2 is equals to root of 2x square. So now here we are writing 20 root 2 is equals to root 2 into root x square. Root 2 gets cancels. Now here square root gets cancels. So x is equals to 20 meters. X is equals to y. So similarly y value is also equal to 20 meters. Therefore S3 bar is equals to, substituting x and y values in this, we get 20 I cap plus 20 j cap. Net displacement of the car is, net displacement of the car is equals to S bar, that is equals to S1 bar plus S2 bar plus S3 bar. So that is equals to 40 I cap plus 30 j cap plus 20 I cap plus 20 j cap. So total S bar is equals to 60 I cap. Here 40 plus 20 60. 30 plus 20 50. 50 J cap. This is the final answer. So therefore S bar is equals to 60 I cap plus 50 J cap. This is final answer. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. Second one. If A bar is equals to 3 I cap minus 4 J cap and B bar is equals to minus I cap minus 4 J cap, calculate the direction of A bar minus B bar. Now we have to calculate the direction of A bar minus B bar. The given A bar and B bar are two vectors. So let us go to the solution. Given A bar is equals to 3 I cap minus 4 J cap and B bar is equals to minus I cap minus 4 J cap. Now we are calculating A bar minus B bar is equals to 3 I cap minus 4 J cap minus of minus I cap minus 4 J cap. 3 I cap minus 4 J cap minus of minus plus I cap minus of minus plus. So minus into minus plus. 4 J cap minus 4 J cap plus 4 J cap cancels, and here 3I minus, here B value, B is equals to minus I bar. 3I plus I is equals to 4I cap. So direction of A bar minus B bar is along positive x-axis. Direction of A bar minus B bar is along positive x-axis. Next, this is the final answer. Next, we will go to the next question. Third one, the resultant of the forces F1 bar is equals to 4 I cap minus 3 J cap and F2 bar is equals to 6 I cap plus 8 J cap is. Now we are finding the resultant of these two forces. Let us go to the solution, and here they given F1 bar is equals to 4 I cap minus 3 J cap and F2 bar is equals to 6 I cap plus 8 J cap. F bar is equals to F1 bar plus F2 bar. So that is equals to 4 I cap minus 3 J cap plus 6 I cap plus 8 J cap. So that is equals to 4 plus 6 10 I cap, 8 minus 3 5 J cap. Now we are finding the resultant of the forces, these two forces, modulus of F bar is equals to square root of I component to 10 whole square and J component to 5 whole square. So that is equals to 100 plus 25. 10 square 100, 5 square 25. So that is equals to 125. 125 can be written as 25 into 5. Root 25, 5. 5 root 5 newtons. So therefore resultant of these forces, that is modulus of F bar, is equals to 5 root 5 newtons. Okay, this is the final answer. Next we will go to the next question. Fourth one, a physical quantity m is equals to 3 kilogram is multiplied by vector A bar such that F bar is equals to m A bar. Find magnitude and direction of F bar. if a is equal to 3 meters per second square eastwards and a bar is equal to minus 4 meter per second square in northwards. Here we have to calculate, find the magnitude and direction of f bar. F bar we have to calculate. Now let us go to the solution. Here from Newton's second law of motion, here they given f bar is equals to m into a bar. That is equals, here they given m is equal to 3 kilogram. 3 into first one, we are calculating first one. A is equal to 3. Now substituting A is equal to 3. Nothing but 3 here eastwards, 3 into 3 newtons. Here north, now we are getting eastwards, that is equals to 3 3s are 9. So 9 newtons. F is equals to 3 3s are 9. So that is equals to 9 newtons eastwards. Now first one we are getting at A is equal to 3. F bar is equals to 9 newtons eastwards. That is 9 I cap. And the next second one we are calculating at A is equals to minus 4 meter per second square. Northwards we have to calculate. F bar is equals to m a bar, that is equals to 3 into minus 4 newtons, nothing, that is equals to minus 3 4 is 12. So minus 12 newtons northwards, that is equals to minus 12 j cap. So F bar is equals to minus 12 newtons minus j cap. So last we are writing F bar is equals to 12 newtons southwards. In eastwards, F bar is equals to 9 newtons. That is equals to next in F bar is equals to 12 newtons southwards. This is the in eastwards 9 newtons, in southwards. Here we are calculating at A is equals to minus 4 meter per second square. We are getting 12 newtons southwards. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. Fifth one. Magnitude of A bar is equals to 7 I cap minus 4 j cap plus 4 k cap is. Here we have to calculate the magnitude of A bar. Now let us go to the solution. Now given A bar is equals to 7 I cap minus 4 j cap plus 4 k cap. Now we are finding the modulus magnitude of A bar. Magnitude of A bar is equals to square root of component of I 7 square and component of j minus 4 whole square and component of k 4 whole square. Square root of 7 square 49 and 4 square 16 and 4 square 16, that is equals to root 81, that is equals to 9 units. So A bar is equals to magnitude of A bar is equals to, therefore magnitude of A bar is equals to 9 units. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. Sixth one. In vector shown in figure, this is the figure showing in a vector where r bar is the resultant vector, this is the resultant vector, and resultant vectors of these two vectors A bar and B bar. A bar and B bar are two vectors, resultant vector is r bar. If r is equals to b by root 2, then the value of angle theta is. So here this is the triangle. Here now we are taking the angle theta, and this is the A vector and this is B vector, and this is the resultant vector. They given r is equals to b by root 2. Here, now let us go to the solution. Given r is equals to b by root 2. Now, we are finding the sine theta. Sine theta is equals to r by b. Now, sine theta is equals to, from the figure we are writing sine theta is equals to opposite side by here. Now, opposite side by hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse and this is the opposite side. So, r by b. Now, we are substituting r value b by root 2 by b. b gets cancels 1 by root 2. So, here sine theta is equals to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 can be written as sine 45. If sine theta is equals to sine 45, then theta is equals to 45 degrees. So, the value of angle theta is, therefore, theta is equals to 45 degrees. Okay. Next, we will go to the next question. Seventh one. If 0.4 I cap plus 0.8 j cap plus c k cap represents a unit vector, then C is, see here, you have to calculate the C, nothing but here resultant. So, let us go to the solution. Now, R bar is equals to, they given 0.4 I cap plus 0.8 j cap plus c k cap. Magnitude here we are taking modulus of R bar. So, that is equals to I component 0.4 whole square plus j component 0.8 whole square plus c square. Here they given represents a unit vector. So, this value is 1. So, that is equals to 0.4 whole square 0.16, 0.64 and plus c square. This is 6, 0.64. So, 1 is equals to 0.16, 0.64 can be written as 0.8 plus 6 square. 64, 80, 80 can be 0.8 under root. So, 0.8 c square is equals to, taking squaring on both sides, that implies 1 whole square is equals to root of 0.8 plus c square whole square. Square root will cancel, then 0.8 plus c square is equals to 1. C square is equals to 1 minus 0.8, that is equals to 0.2. C square is equals to 0.2 and c is equals to root 0.2. This value is 0.44. This is the final answer. C is equals to 0.44. Okay. Next we will go to the next. Let us go to the next question. Obtain the magnitude of 2 a bar minus 3 b bar. If a bar is equals to I cap plus j cap minus 2 k cap and b bar is equals to 2 I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Now, let us go to the solution. Now, we are calculating 2 a bar minus 3 b bar. So, that is equals to 2 of a bar given as I cap plus j cap minus 2 k cap minus 3 of b bar they given as 2 I cap minus j cap plus k cap. So, that is equals to 2 into I, 2 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 2 2 ja 4 k cap minus 3 2 ja 6 I cap minus 2 minus plus 3 j cap minus 3 k cap. So that is equals to, here 2I minus 6I minus 4I cap plus 3I plus 2I plus 5j cap, here plus 2I minus 6I minus 4I, here plus 2j plus 2j plus 3j plus 5j minus 4k minus 3k minus 7k cap. So modulus of 2a cap minus 3b bar is equals to square root of minus 4 whole square plus 5 square plus of minus 7 whole square, that is equals to 4 square nothing but 16 plus 25 plus 49, 7 whole square 49. See here square root of, now we are getting 49 plus 25 plus 16, that is equals to 90 units. So therefore final answer, magnitude of 2a bar minus 3b bar is equals to under root 90 units. Okay, this is the final answer. Next we will go to the next question, ninth question. A car makes a displacement of 100 meters towards east and then 200 meters towards north. Find the magnitude and direction of the resultant. Here they given towards east displacement 100 meters and then towards north its displacement is 200 meters. You have to calculate magnitude and direction of the resultant. Let us go to the solution. Here they given, suppose this is the east direction and it is the north direction, here 100 and making an angle theta, here theta, this is the S bar, here 200 towards north, 200 towards north, 200 meters towards north. So this is equals to, we are this is making east direction and making an angle theta, and here 200 meters towards north, and this is the resultant theta, and it is the north direction, it is east direction. Here 100 meters towards east, 100 meters towards east. Now S1 bar is equals to 100 I cap meters and S2 bar is equals to 200 J cap meters. Then S is equals to question mark. We have to calculate the magnitude and direction of the resultant. So S bar is equals to S1 bar plus S2 bar. So that is equals to 100 I cap plus 200 J cap meters. So now we are calculating modulus of S bar, that is equals to I component whole square plus j component whole square, 100 whole square plus 200 whole square under root. This can be written as 100 whole square nothing but 10 to the power of 4, 200 whole square nothing but 4 into 10 to the power of 4. So that is equals to 5 into 10 to the power of 4. So this can be written as root 5 into root 10 to the power of 4 nothing but here 10 square whole square. So this again can be written as root 5 into root 10 square whole square. Square root cancel. So this is equals to root 5 into 100. Yes, modulus of S bar is equals to root 5 into 100. Next, S is equals to 2.236 root 5 value, since root 5 is equals to 2.236. 2.236 into 100. So that is equals to 223.6 meters. This is S. Now we are calculating tan alpha is equals to 200 by 100. 0, 0 gets cancels 2. Alpha is equals to tan inverse of 2. This is the north of east. This is the final answer. Next we will go to the next question. 10th one, two vectors are given by a bar is equals to minus 2i cap plus j cap minus 3k cap and b bar is equals to 5i cap plus 3j cap minus 2k cap. If 3a bar plus 2b bar plus c bar is equals to 0, then find the third vector c bar is. Here they given two vectors and we have to calculate the third vector. Let us go to the solution. 3a bar plus 2b bar plus c bar is equals to 0. So 3 of minus 2i cap plus j cap minus 3k cap plus 2 of 5i cap plus 3j cap minus 2k cap plus c bar is equals to 0. Here 3 2s are 6 minus 6i cap plus 3j cap minus 3 3s are 9k cap plus 2 5s are 10i cap plus 2 3s are 6j cap minus 2 2s are 4k cap plus c bar is equals to 0. Here minus 6i plus 10i 4i cap plus 6 3j plus 6j 9j cap. Here minus 9k bar minus 4k bar minus 13k bar plus c bar is equals to 0. So therefore c bar is equals to, here this is going this side, plus becomes positive, plus becomes negative. Here positive sign becomes negative sign, minus 4i cap minus 9j cap minus becomes plus, so 13k cap. This is the third vector c bar. So therefore third vector c bar is equals to minus 4i cap minus 4i cap minus 9j cap plus 13k cap. This is the final answer. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.